Remember your computer from 2012? It was gorgeous, it was beautiful, it was everything you ever needed. It was so powerful, powered by 2-core processor and 8 gigabytes of memory. It was a dream. It was something you ever wished for. But all good things end once and for all. So as this wonderful computer. So let's throw in the trash bin, shall we? Or wait a minute. Hello everybody. Let's turn this computer a little bit faster than it is by adding some extra memory and some SSD hard drive. Shall we? Here is the components, but first let's do something important. So this is fast forward. Let's open up the computer and remove the old memory and the hard drive, of course. But this wasn't the important thing I was talking about earlier, because wait a minute, wait. Let's put this back, because first we need to measure how fast this computer is, and well, not getting to precise details, but let's measure how fast this computer is turning on. As you can see, I speed up the video, that this boring part will be faster. So in any minute now, you will see the end result, which is approximately but it's quite slow. It's approximately 1.35 seconds. So let's remove RAM and the hard drive, give it a nice push to get it out, because sometimes it's quite stuck in there. Yes, it's coming out, okay. And here take the RAM module, gently get it out of the cover. This is 4 gigabytes, the same speed as previous. Turns out that previously it has only 3 gigabytes of RAM. There was two modules, one was 1 gigabyte and the other was 2 gigabytes. Some kind of little sheet to indicate how to install the RAM. Noted. Yeah, they are quite the same, as you can see. So let's put the first module in, nice and gently, and let's do the same with the second module. Just repeat the same again, take it out very gently, and install. Yeah. So let's open the hard drive. Take it out. Pretty straightforward, there's nothing to worry about, just take it out. Be careful, of course, do not damage the disk itself, but it's in metal sealing cover, so it's quite hard to damage it. There is some sticky label to protect the pins, so you should remove it. And here I remove the holder which holds the hard drive in place, this old one, but I will use the same for the new one. That's only because it's the same size and it fits nicely in this place. So gently remove. As you can see, there's a little bit a liquid on the hard drive, so this is quite urgent to change it because otherwise it could be gone someday. Yeah, and I just screw the mounting place back. There's 4 screws holding it on the sides. Nothing major. So let's remove this sticky protector. Nice and easy. And make sure to install this hard drive properly. There's no huge signs. They're just push it back. Make sure it's screwed in place, and you're good to go. There's one thing though. On this hard drive there is no operating system, so you need to install one, or you can clone the operating system from your previous hard drive, but this is not recommended because all the bugs and everything what you have there, it transfers to the new one. So let's give it a nice fresh install to make this computer crazy fast. And here I'm doing some mistakes I discover later, because I think that there is missing 2 screws, but actually the screws comes from the top. So when I was trying to mount this back, I discovered, oh no, there is no place where I can screw this, because I already add some 2 screws, which is not good, so I need to remove them. At the moment now, right there, I see, okay, doesn't fit right. So what's the case? What's the problem? Think, my friends, before you do something. Sometimes I do something and then I think, okay, but this is a nice way to remind yourself that you're not perfect, and nobody's perfect actually. So be careful. Those things can trick you really easy. Now put the cover back and you're good to go for installing new operating system. And after installing new operating system, there is one more thing to do. Let's test it, how fast this computer is turning on. Let's see. And as you can see, your computer now is quite fast. Actually, I think I missed the precise moment when it turned on, but it's about 24 seconds. Let's just say 25 to be like honest. Okay, congratulations, your computer now is quite faster. Let's see again. Yeah, 24 seconds. It's 400 times faster than previously. So my friends, arrivederci. See you next time.